Hi kindergartners, it's Miss Iovaldi, and we are going to be reviewing some of the sounds that we have learned recently. Remember, review means we've already learned them, but we just want to make sure that they are sticking in our brains. So we are going to look at these alpha friends again today. So we have Ozzy Octopus. Ozzy Octopus makes two different sounds. Ozzy Octopus can say ah, ah, ah. Say it. Ozzy Octopus can also say oh, oh, oh. Say it. Now Ozzy Octopus, he's a vowel, he's special. That's why he can say two different sounds. We are going to review some Ozzy Octopus sentences. So I'm going to read it, and then I'd like you to read it with me, please. O is for off. Read it with me. O is for off. O is for office. Now you read it. O is for ox. Now you read it. O is for octagon. Now you read it. O is for octopus. Now you read it. Nice job. Now, the next letter sound that we are going to be reviewing today is Edna Elephant. Edna Elephant is also a vowel, so that means she's special and she has two different sounds. She has her short vowel sound and she has her long vowel sound where she says her own name. Edna Elephant can say eh, eh, eh. Say it. Edna Elephant can also say E, E, E. Say it. We are going to read some sentences with our alpha friend Edna Elephant. Edna Elephant. Let's see what we have. E is for elbow. Read it with me. E is for elbow. E is for envelope. Now you read it. E is for envelope. E is for elevator. Now you read it. E is for elevator. E is for elephant. Now you read it. E is for egg. Now you read it. Nice job. Now we are going to look at our alpha friend here, Mr. X-Ray. Mr. X-Ray says x, x, x. Say it. Now, Mr. X-Ray, we know he's a little bit more tricky, and he's not at the beginning of words so much, but a lot of times we'll find him at the end of some words. So we are going to read some sentences that have Mr. X-Ray in it. Let's take a look. X is for 6. Read it with me. X is for 6. X is for mix. Now you read it. X is for mix. Oh, Miss Iovaldi, you were supposed to read it. Okay, here you go. X is for fix. Now you read it. X is for tux. Now you read it. X is for wax. Now you read it. Nice job. Now we are going to look at our alpha friend, Hattie Horse. And Hattie Horse is going to help us out with our letter sound for H. Hattie Horse says, say it. Now, Hattie Horse. We are going to look at some sentences with our alpha friend, Hattie Horse. Let's see what we have. H is for horse. Read it with me. H is for horse. H is for hammer. Now you read it. H is for honey. Now you read it. H is for hand. Now you read it. H is for house. Now you read it. Nice job. And our last alpha friend that we are going to be reviewing is Keely Kangaroo. Keely Kangaroo says, k, k, k. Say it. Awesome job. And we are going to look at some sentences that have letter sound K in it. So if we take a look, the first one says, K is for kangaroo. Read it with me. K is for kangaroo. K is for king. Now you read it. K is for kite. Now you read it. K is for karate. Now you read it. K is for keys. Now you read it. All right, kindergartners, those are 5 letter sounds that we have already learned, and we are working on making sure that those stick in our brains. Ah, ah, ah. Say it. Oh, oh, oh. Say it. Ah, ah, ah. Say it. E, e, e. Say it. X, x, x. Say it. Say it. K, k, k. Say it. Great job reviewing, kindergartners. Keep up the hard work.